Hey guys, today I will showing this video, advanced skin retouching tutorial with Photoshop. I hope this tutorial very helpful. Please see till to the end. First open your picture. Now open layer option. And copy this layer to separated layer, press Ctrl+J. Select copy one layer and go to filter option. Now click blur option to surface blur option. Keep radius pixel 30 and threshold levels 20. Now select top layer and again go to filter option. Select other to high pass option. Keep radius 1.5 and click OK. Now go to layer blending option and select overlay. Now hold Shift key and select top to layer. And press Ctrl+G for making group. Select background layer and go to select option, choose color range. Here you select skin tone and keep fuzziness 1. Now select group layer and simple click on add mask option. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Looks this picture. I am showing very good work in this tutorial. Please like, comment and share. And don't forget subscribe my channel.